Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals only way. Begin by mapping every exam topic into a single master list, then rank items by weight and difficulty, and allocate study blocks accordingly. Use short, focused sessions with one clear goal, alternate subjects to avoid fatigue, and add light review days. Track progress daily, review weak points with practice questions, and celebrate small wins to keep motivation high. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals only way. Prioritize active methods like retrieval practice, teaching concepts aloud, and using spaced repetition for durable learning. Make your own practice tests and simulate exam conditions for timing and stress control. Integrate tiny review sessions between study blocks and convert notes into flashcards or questions. Rotate problem types and explain solutions step by step to ensure deep understanding and exam readiness. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals only way. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. On another note, the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes reading and reviewing notes anywhere super convenient and distraction-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals only way. Design a study zone that signals work: clear desk, comfy chair, and only subject materials visible to avoid multitasking. Use timed blocks like 25 to 50 minutes with consistent breaks, and swap locations or posture to reset focus. Manage phone use with airplane or focus modes, and prep supplies beforehand so you keep flow going. Small environmental tweaks yield big concentration gains over weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.